Warfare has always resulted in the greatest technological advances, with each country continually trying to acquire the most modern and powerful arms to safeguard its interests both at home and abroad. The newest and greatest breakthroughs in military technology and future armament, which seem to be inspired by science fiction, portray a frighteningly realistic and scary picture of the world of combat in the coming years. Join us on the battlefield as we travel the world in search of the largest, brightest, and greatest armament and military gear from previous years, as well as future projections. Before we begin though, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified for future uploads. Adaptive Camouflage. The adaptive camouflage is a honeycomb-like device that can be fitted in modules on any vehicle and heated or cooled to match the surrounding environment. The opponent can't fire at something they can't see. That is the purpose of BAE Systems' adaptive camouflage, to conceal a military vehicle's infrared signal and protect it from detection by blending in with its surroundings. This technique effectively makes thermal imaging devices useless while also providing friendly combat vehicles with some protection from early detection. The same approach may be used to alert friendly troops to allied vehicles and avert blue-on-blue incidents. T-Ghost. The Swedish T-Ghost is a disguised tank that employs BAE's adaptive camouflage to hide from enemy thermal imaging equipment. In addition, the Ghost tank is a high-caliber 120mm compact main gun with novel technologies meant to minimize recoil and total vehicle weight. As a consequence, the medium combat tank is both agile and powerful. In theory, the cutting-edge technology aboard this tank enables users to attack first, before opposing troops even realize they're there. Magneto-hydrodynamic explosive munition, or Mayhem. DAPRA's Mayhem weapons system use a magnetic flux generator to propel a projectile rather than the typical usage of chemical explosives, resulting in a more efficient and accurate launch mechanism. This projectile weapon system also use molten metal to pierce opposing armored vehicles, enhancing combat lethality and efficacy. Taser Shockwave. The Taser Shockwave is a large-scale area denial device meant to aid in riot control. A big modular system for discharging several Taser X26 stun guns in a 20-degree arc with a 25-foot range. You wouldn't want to be anywhere near it if it went off. The Taser Shockwave may also be daisy-linked with additional units, enhancing area coverage and posing an even greater danger to aggressive rioters. Unquestionably a frightening piece of riot control equipment. Black Knight ARCV. A 30mm cannon and 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, as well as the ability to be deployed from military transport aircraft, make this a formidable fighting device. The Black Knight unmanned combat vehicle, like the Mars robot, is meant to be dispatched into high-risk scenarios to protect human soldiers. The existing technology is not without limits, and difficulties with GPS, wireless connection, and sensors must be sorted out, but it seems to be a combat vehicle with a lot of potential. Thunder Generator. The Israeli army and PDT Agro were developing a weapon called the Thunder Generator a few years ago. This contraption was meant to explode an explosion in its barrel, then unleash it as a high-speed shockwave that might temporarily deafen and throw individuals back up to 100 feet. Without a doubt, useful in a number of scenarios. Hybrid Insect Microelectromechanical System, or HIMEMS. Another science fiction warfare system, this time in the shape of bugs. Though it seems like a circuit board has been attached to the back of a beetle, it's really a simple illustration of a technology that has been worked on for decades. Micro air vehicles, or MAVs, and microelectric mechanical system, or MAVS, have been under development since the 1940s and are basically cyborg bugs and winged animals enslaved to perform man's bidding. A Freedom of Information request to DARPA uncovers some intriguing details about this military gear, such as the implanting of technology into insects at the larva and pupa stages to maximize survival. Cameras and tracking gadgets plainly give great tracking capabilities that no one would assume, ideal for surveilling hostile bodies or even people of a government. Active Denial System, or ADS. Another non-lethal energy weapon intended to aid in crowd and riot control. This method, sometimes known as the heat ray, operates by heating the target's surface in the same way as a microwave oven does. People have suffered multiple burns to the top layer of their skin as a result of prolonged exposure. The concept is simple enough. Things become so heated that you don't want to stay. So there you have it, folks. Do you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Till then, peace out.